In this video, we are going to explain the CS Cart Extended Order List. With this add-on, admins, vendors, and customers can expand their orders right from the order list. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. Now, let us see the configuration of this add-on. To do that, go to Add-ons, then Developers, and then Webkul Software Private Limited. Here, you will find the CS Cart Extended Order List add-on. Under its settings, the admin can configure details such as whether to show extra information on the order list page for customers, whether to display the image of each product, and the default mode in which the order list page should open. If he wants to open the order list page in collapsed mode, he needs to untick this option. If he wants to open the order list page in expanded mode, then he needs to tick it. Similar configurations can be done for both the admin and vendor panels. Now, let us check how this add-on works. On the order page, I can see details like the product image, name, code, price, quantity, and subtotal for each order directly on the order list page. I don't need to go to each individual order page to check these details. I can view everything right here. A similar interface is available for vendors as well. He can see all of this for each order, including the product price, quantity, and subtotal. Similarly, on the storefront under Orders, the customer can view, for each order, the products they purchased along with the price, quantity, or subtotal, and the total right on the order list page itself. So this is all about how the add-on works. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.